Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in ecstasy of joy to come back to you today. This is Saturday morning, and as I told you, I'm living in Togo. I'm a Togolese. I am Laurent. And I'm really glad to have you all around this morning. I hope I hope all of you have had a good trading week. Okay, I'm here for two reasons. I'm here for a piece of advice to give a piece of advice to traders on risk management, especially those who use Propfirm accounts, challenge accounts. Okay, and then I'll talk about some update or an update on gold. Okay, I've given a projection on gold that gold is gonna go bullish. Yeah, this is trading. Yeah, we headed bullish. Let me check here on in weekly. Yeah, on weekly. Yeah, the weekly candle diminished a lower. This is the same thing with the monthly one. Okay, what is going to happen next? This is what we're gonna talk about. It is very important to update everybody on what is going to happen. Okay, let me go down to the daily. This is the daily. This is what happened on Friday. There was a downfall. There was a downfall. Uh, yeah, it was very interesting. Let me talk about it. Yes, in Delhi, I used to view the market in such a way. When I saw this candle, this doji candle, when I saw it, I knew that something's going to happen. There will be a reversal. But how do I do it? How do I trade something? I draw the candlestick like this. I draw it like this, and I wait for the price to get inside it. But before, I gotta get down to the 4 hours and the 1 hour to be sure of what I'm going to say. So let me go down to the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. Okay, the precision in the 4 hour that I need to see is the same thing or the same thing. Okay, or a green and red zone like this one. I said it. I give a clue last time and I said it like this. This is a green and red zone. Yeah, I view the markets in such a way. So I draw the same thing, the same candle on the 4 hour in the 4 hour, and I continue and I get down to the 1 hour. Yeah, I still have the same thing. I still have the same thing. This is it. And on this candle, this daily candle is what I'm seeing here. This is the zone. So it has created a head and shoulder, and the market fell on the 11th of February and continued with the CPI. Okay, so the CPI fell on a liquidity zone and get up. So as it is said, as we already all know, the market goes from liquidity to liquidity. So this is a liquidity zone. The market has looked for liquidity. And this zone, this daily zone that I have the top down till the 1 hour to the 1 hour is a liquidity zone. So the market was heading up in order to take liquidity and fell. Okay. What I really remark here is this. Yo, those who are found in technical analysis, you can see this clearly. It is clear in the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, you're gonna see what happened, but I'll give some prediction on it. Okay, in Delhi, let me come back in Delhi and set the TP as I will say this is my mm, peak left candle. This is my peak left candle. This is how I'm named it. So Those will be my cheap line. This is gonna be my cheap line. So as I top down this candlestick, and I found the precision, yeah, the precision in the 4 hour, and especially in the 1 hour. What do I do? I'll just wait for the price here. And if you remark this, when the price gets into the zone, it ranges here. It ranges here. The markets looked very, very tricky yesterday. If you do not know that you are in a liquidity zone or in a strong resistance that gonna pull down the price, you're gonna still holding on the bullish round, and you will mess up your account if you have a bad risk management. So this is my TP. So I'll trade this one. If I trade it, if I had time to trade this one, I would set my TP somewhere here. Okay. So the advice that I want to give somebody here, a trader or a beginner, someone who has just started trading, and you are trading the Propfirm accounts, what I need to give you as an adverse, a piece of the adverse, very, very important this morning is this. If you are not comfortable with a position, you hold, for example, you hold a position here, you wanted to have 50 pips, and in the zone here, even before thinking about that, you see the price is stagnating here. It is a sign that there is a resistance. You must know that. Okay, before getting to that, you have to be truthful with yourself. You have to be a good risk management holder. Okay, you don't have to be emotional in risking, because if you risk your whole drawdown, your account is gonna go red and you blow the account. But if you can if you can risk the half part of the 50K, because for Propfirm accounts, you need to, yeah, your daily loss, the limit loss of the day is 5K, okay? $5,000. 5K, $5,000. So what you need to do is this. You risk, if you do a better analysis, okay, or the best analysis, let me say it this way, okay, if you do it well and you are sure of what you're doing, no matter whether you're sure or you're not sure, you have to risk the half part, okay. 2K and 2K, 205, please, 2000, yeah, $2,500. You must read that one, okay, on a single trade. So you plan 2 trades per day. For example, you plan to have a bullish round, you take a bullish trade here, and you are willing to go up. Now, the price start getting up, getting down, please, getting down. You will think that you're gonna set you go the price gonna go back somewhere here in this joint is gonna throw the price up, and unfortunately it gets down. Okay, now if you were risking the half part of your drawdown, what is going to happen is this. Okay, you can lose your $2,500 somewhere here. You can lose it here. Okay, when you lose it here, you can come back to yourself, because you plan 2 trades per day. When you win the first one, that's okay. You shut your screen and you come back tomorrow for another trade. Now, when you have a first loss because you do not know that the market was in a resistance here, you do not know that what happened on the 11th of February was a sign of reversal, was a resistance zone. Yo, you can mess up. Everybody can mess up, especially you if you are not experimented. You can mess up. Okay. Now that you know that this is a resistance and you lose here, you lose here. So you can be quiet and take a second trade and set your target somewhere there. The second trade that you're gonna take will be a winning one. That's why it is very important to make a good risk management. This is very, very, very important. Trading is somehow an intelligent game. You need to know that. Okay. Okay. The the second thing and the last thing I'm gonna talk about now is the chart pattern that forms here. Okay. Uh, I'm no more confident that gold is gonna go bullish. I'm I'm no more at 70%. I'm no more sure. I'm no more sure because this is the head and shoulder. It is clear here. If someone can see, it is clear. You have the double tops. We have the left shoulder. I have the left shoulder here, and I have the neckline. So I'm gonna predict this. This is a probability game, as you know, this is a probability game. If the price breaks the neckline, if it happens that the price breaks the neckline like this, and I can get my entry when the 4 hour. Let me go to the 4 hour. Yeah, it's very important. The time frame is very important. So I can see something like this. It can retest. Yeah, my or how do I the neckline can be retested, and after that, the price can calm down. Okay, the first target I'm going to set is this one. This one. Yeah. My first target. My first target. Okay, this is gonna be my first target. So I can wait for the price somewhere here. Okay. Even in belly, I can see the shoulder, I can see the double top. So this is my project for next week. Next week, if the price does not break the neckline, it may happen that it ranges. But I'm 70% sure that the market is gonna go down. So this is a probability game. As I always say throughout the video, you must be careful and know how to manage your account. Thank you. This is the end of today's presentation, and I hope this is doing good to somebody. If you have some questions, if you have something to add, if you want to teach me something, I'm teachable. You can send me a message. You can message me or write in the comment section there. Thank you. So this is low trade world. This is a new channel. Please subscribe, comment, and like. May God bless you and have a marvelous weekend.